Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up a package all the way from Goose Creek, South Carolina from Mr. Jeff. And we're going to be cleaning up this Barlow I bought in Catala, Georgia at my favorite little antique store in the state, in Georgia. But if this comes out good, and I think it will, I'm going to be putting this in the next auction. That next auction is going to be May the 20th. May the 20th is when we're going to have the next auction. And I'm going to have about 10 or 12 knives. I don't think I'm going to have big auctions no more, guys, because it's just a lot of work. As far as it just puts me behind on other things I have to get done during the day. So I'm going to have about 10 to 12 knives per auction. I'm going to try to have 3 a month. Going to lighten the workload, but have the same amount every month. So we'll try to do it in a period of 3 auctions instead of one big one every month. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, what we have here is an Imperial Barlow with clamshell handles. You see that's tabbed on right here. And what we're going to do, guys, we're going to take it over on that buffer wheel, and we're going to clean this thing up. You see that's Imperial. It's got USA over to the right. That tank stamp was used between 1956 all the way up to 1988. But this thing, believe it or not, guys, it's going to clean up good. And no, I'm not giving it a vinegar bath. I believe a lot of folks would probably use them ultrasonic cleaners, and they'll use vinegar and all that, but I'm not going to do all that. I've got a $49 bench grinder with a fiber wheel that's going to clean it up faster than the vinegar bath would or anything like that. Vinegar, guys, will ruin a knife. If you leave it in there too long, it will ruin a knife, and I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to do is get all the surface rust off. The handles are good and tight, guys. It really is. And I'm going to get all the surface rust off the blades, oil it down real good, and I'm going to give this rounded point off a new point, and this blade a new edge. It's going to clean up good. I'm telling you, and I can tell it's going to have it snap back. It's going to be a beautiful knife when I get done with it. Wait and see. But again, guys, these handles are tight. They really are. Paid $5 for it. So what I'm about to do now, guys, I'm about to use this fiber wheel, 3-inch. It's like a SOS pad to clean this knife up right here. It's gonna look good. I don't know what that is. Like a piece of wood. Is it gonna snap? What y'all think? It's getting there. It ain't gonna snap right away, but it's, I have a feeling it's going to. It's snapping out. It's gonna take some work, but we're gonna get it. Get all that. See all that? See all that? See all that good carbon steel in there? Pretty in it. Got patina. She's coming alive. Spray it down one more time. How about that? Nothing but rust, guys. She ain't bad, is she? See that right there? Now, guys, I'm fitting to go over there. Come from the bottom up to that point right there. I'm just going to give it a nice little point. Not going to take much off. I'm just going to give it a point right there. I'm not going to mess with the top. I'm going to come from the bottom up. Then I'm going to give it a new edge all the way down because it's dull. Hoorah. Okay, guys, I got the air going in here. I'm sorry. It's getting got hot in here. It's at nighttime. It is 9:45 at night. I'm using a little Never Dull just to give it that initial sheen. Then we're gonna hit it with flits. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a little break of cleaning the Imperial Barlow. I'm going to open up the package now, all the way from Goose Creek, South Carolina. Hello, Kevin. I hope you're doing good. I've gotten you some more items, mostly from South Carolina flea markets for your collections or to put on auctions. I have also included a can of knife preservative and some stickers from a former co-worker who has a Facebook page, Patrick Smith Knives. How about that? I have to check him out. He is a former Marine, hoorah, and a federal firefighter. Man, that is awesome. Patrick Smith Knives, y'all. There are also a couple of keychains and an opinel knife, which you should find interesting. I really enjoy your channel as always. Take care and God bless. Jeff Guthrie. Well, Jeff, thank you so much for this, buddy. Tell your friend, Patrick Smith Knives. I believe his name should be Patrick Smith. Tell him thank him for his service and thank him for what he's doing on fighting fires, first responder. Thank y'all so much for this, man. Thank you so much, Jeff. Look at all this stuff, y'all. Is this not cool or what? Man, I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the Zippo. Look here, USS Carl Vinson, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that cool? This one is A, B, C, D, E. That's May of 2003. How about that? Oh, it's going to take some work. We're going to have to get that going in another video. That's pretty cool, though. I definitely will. I'm going to set this over here to remind me to get that done soon. Look at this little J Martini, y'all. I don't have one this small. Jeff, thank you so much for this. Ain't that awesome, guys? Look at that. Awesome. Very cool. I love that right there. Man, it's nice. Look at these sheaths, y'all. Ain't that awesome? Brand spanking new, too. This looks like a fit a folding hunter. I believe it would. Very nice. Thank you, Jeff. And look here. Knife protectant, y'all. It's probably a wax. Yep. I love that, man. Patrick Smith. Does that stand for Patrick Smith? I bet you it does. I like this, man. Thank you. This is a Boker. I can tell I'm already missing a shield. Got that match strike pull. It's an old one too. Boker USA. This knife's gonna clean up good, man. Look at that. We can round that off. It's a spade blade. Look at there. Ain't nothing wrong with this knife, and I have a shield I can put in there too. Either that or a 9mm. Pretty cool, and this knife's gonna clean up like a champ, I'm telling you. It's got that match strike pull. That blade ain't nothing wrong with it, man. Listen to snap. Beautiful. Can't tell if that's bone or Delrin. I'll have to clean it up. This Shrade Trapper right here, y'all. Yeah, that blade's been whittled. This is a parts knife here. Yeah. Poor buddy. It's alright though. He's here now. I'm opening that one last for some reason. It's telling me to open it last. This here is just a little Victorinox, y'all. 2 blades too. With a corkscrew, tweezers, and a toothpick. This here's a bottle opener with a wire stripper. Very cool. I love that, man. Very slim too. Be a great EDC. This one here is another Victorinox. Man, that blade looks good right there, y'all. Ain't even hardly been used. Good looking Victorinox. Flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, small flat tip screwdriver, can opener, tweezers, toothpick. Got the sewing awl and a punch blade with a corkscrew. Hoorah! This is a big boy here now. Big shears. Main blade. Just needs to be cleaned. And, guys, it has a saw. Look at there. Ain't that cool? And you got your flat tip screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, small flat tip screwdriver, can opener. Hoorah, man. Thank you so much for these. These are nice. Some of these will be going into the auction. Look at him. What's that right there? Jowick. Jowick. Yes, got that parrot. Made in Ireland. This one will definitely be going into auction. Yeah, auction material. Look at all these magnets, y'all. Ain't that cool? We're going to be putting this on my little metal cabinet behind us. We got some stickers too. I can go up on the wall of fame. Very cool, ain't it? Love it, man. Thank you so much, Jeff. Alright, got the flag and we got another sheath right here. First Response, Smith & Wesson. Very cool. American flag patch. I love that. Let's check out this Alcanil. Oh. Check that out, man. Ain't that cool? Sasquatch. Look at that, carrying a flag. You see him, y'all? Ain't that cool? Oh! Look at that, y'all. I love this, man. Sasquatch on one side and a bear on the other. Dude, I love that, man. That's going to go on my new knife shop, dude. Love that. Man, how'd you get that made, man? I love that right there, dude. Beautiful. It's burnt wood is all it is. Love that, man. Oh, man, check this out. I'm using this as a keychain, dude. I love that, man. How about that, y'all? Ain't that cool? And check this out. This is a little opinel in a sheath, which is good to be in a sheath. Gotta be careful. Look here, is this it's a number 2, y'all. I don't have a number 2. Check that out. Now I got a 3, a 4. You know, they make a 1 that's smaller than this. Very rare. Very rare. I don't even think they make them no more. But check that out, y'all. In a little bitty sheath right here. Ain't that cool? Love it, man. Love it. I'm going to put that on my keychain too. Man. I love that, dude. Let's see what fixed blade it is. Wow, made in Germany, y'all. Justin Cutlery Company, New York. Made in Germany. Yes, sir. It's got that good carbon steel in there. This knife's going to clean up good, y'all. Give it a new edge. See, it's a little beat up right there on the end. But yes, sir. Nice little pouch, too. I mean, nice little sheath pouch. That's awesome, dude. Thank you so much. Now, TL29. Check that out. Let's see what kind it is. That's a Cutmaster. Very cool, man. Wood handles, too. You know this thing's old. It's in great shape, too. Yes, sir. Very cool, Jeff. And this one right here, I believe, is a Colonial, if I'm not mistaken. No. That's a buck. Handcrafted in China. This is nice, though, buddy. Very cool. Yeah, some of these will be going into the auction, and some of them I'll be keeping. Very cool, buddy. I love this right here, man. Look at that bear. That's nothing but a powerhouse right there, son. And so is Sasquatch. Love that, man. Love that keychain right here. Love that, man. Very cool. I want to thank Jeff for sending those knives and gifts all the way from Goose Creek, South Carolina. 324 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Jeff, I appreciate you sending that package, man, with knives and gifts. Appreciate it so much. Appreciate you supporting the channel. God bless you, man. And Patrick, I have you up on the wall of fame, man. I appreciate you sending those stickers and magnets, the wax, man. Appreciate that so much. Appreciate your service. Y'all go check him out. He's on Facebook, Patrick Smith Knives. He's another Marine. Hoorah, buddy. Semper Fi. God bless you and appreciate you supporting the channel, man. Okay, guys. Here it is. The Barlow, made by Imperial, from 1956 all the way up to 1988. I'm going to date this thing in the 70s, y'all. But that tip, that's about the best I could do, keeping the blade length. But it looks all right. It's sharp now. It's got that, see all that patina in there? That's that old carbon steel. And it is sharp as a razor. I ain't gonna lie, I gave it that nice edge on there. See there? Got that snap. This thing's sharp as a razor too. See that new edge I put on it? Man, it's beautiful. Still got a little bit of rust coming out, but not near as bad as it was. But see that new edge right there? Hear that snap? Guys, who would have thought that this would have cleaned up that good? Me. Guys, I can look at a knife and tell you if it's going to clean up or not. But it cleaned up good now. And these handles are tight. But see how fresh this thing looks, guys? Beautiful knife. Good snap. So this one will be in my next auction, guys. I'll continue to get this rust out of it. But she is a beautiful, beautiful knife. Does that got patent numbers on it? It does have patent numbers on it. This might be from the 60s. You know it? It's got patent numbers on it. I need to look them patent numbers up right there. Very cool. Did it turn out beautiful, y'all? Remember, this is what it used to look like. And this is what it looks like now. How about that? Ain't that awesome? Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 guys. Hear that snap? I love saving lives of old knives. And I just saved another one. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just love finding knives like this and bringing them back to life. I really do. It's just a no better feeling in the world to me than making it look like this after it looked like that. You know? It's just so satisfying. Therapeutic, you know what I mean? I mean, it's just, I won't carry this thing tomorrow just because I cleaned it up today. And It's just a beautiful knife to me. It feels so solid. It's got the clamshell handles on it, but I'm telling you guys, it feels solid. It really does. Well, anyway, guys, I want to thank Jeff for sending me all these knives and gifts. Thank you so much, man. That's the second package. I appreciate you supporting the channel, Jeff. I really do, man. Thank you so much. Well, anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in. I want to say God bless y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.